the soft homemade jam, berries, apple, chia seeds, and just a squeeze of lemon, slowly cooking on low heat until everything melts together. In the meantime, oats, honey, peanut butter, mixed seeds, and milk mixed gently with a pinch of salt to bring everything together. Simple ingredients, but they create something so comforting. Then comes the best part. Layer the warm jam, add the oat crumble on top, into the oven just until golden. And when it comes out, soft, warm, slightly crisp on top. Simple, cozy, and so good. And that's it.